To get started on today's project, you're going to need one of the 8-inch wire wreath forms that you can pick up from Dollar Tree. Then you're also going to need a roll of this neutral jute colored snowball mesh that you can pick up from Hobby Lobby. Now I got this one over in their Christmas section, and they're having a big sale on all their Christmas stuff. You will not find this over in the regular section. You have to look in the Christmas section. And this roll is 5.5 inches at 30 feet. It regularly retails for $7.99, but I never pay full price for anything at Hobby Lobby unless I absolutely have to. You'll also need a package of pipe cleaners cut in half. We're going to be doing my folded ruffle method today. You need to cut your mesh into strips of 12 inches. You take the two cut ends and you fold them over each other by about 1 inch. So you have a nice little tube. Press down. Take one end and scrunch to the center. Take the other, scrunch to the center and meet. Grab a pipe cleaner, cut in half, wrap it around. Now here on the top is where all your cut ends are. That needs to be the bottom, so you want to make sure your ends are pulled to the top there. And then I like to pull my mesh down. It makes it easier for me to get a good grab and pinch. Give a twist. And that's what your little bundle should look like. I think they look like little butterflies. I'll show you one more time. Now to attach your bundles to your wreath form, we're going to be attaching them to the center bar and the outer bar. I've attached 3 already. So you just take your pipe cleaners, feed it on either side of those 2 bars, pull it up nice and snug and give a good twist or 2. Then I like to pull my pipe cleaners together. And then I fold them down so that they face forward, and then push your bundle over. This helps keep your back looking nice and clean and professional, and you won't be able to see those pipe cleaners from the front. But look at how pretty the folded ruffle is. I love it because it gives you such a textured look, but yet it's still a smooth look as well. Now on this wreath form, in between each section, and each section is between the crossbars, you're going to place 10 bundles. So this wreath will take a total of 30 bundles, and that is one complete roll. I'm going to get the base of my wreath done, and then I'll come back and we can move forward and decorate. I have my base all done, and I'm so happy with the end result. I really like the folded ruffle with this snowball mesh. It looks so pretty, and I love it. Now I picked up this little cutie. It is an ornament, and he is like a styrofoam ornament. I got him from craftoutlet.com. He was about $3, but he is the perfect size to fit in the center. Now I have seen several different types of gingerbread people that you can pick up at any of the craft stores. Dollar Tree also has a wood cutout that's a little bit larger than this that would work perfectly in the center as well. So you can always pick one of those up and then paint it to your specifications. But I really like him. I think he's super cute. I love his coloring. He looks like a real gingerbread man. And he does come with this long red string to hang him because he was an ornament. But I'm going to cut this here in half and then use this to tie on the top. And then I'll use hot glue to get my placement, and I do want him kind of right in the center. I'm going to add a few other things around him, but I want him to be my main focal point. I think he's super cute, and I think he stands out nicely on my background. So I'm just going to take the ribbon and I'm going to separate my mesh here. And I want to tie him onto a crossbar. So I'm just going to find a crossbar here. There we go. Then I'm just going to feed the ribbon down and tie it onto the crossbar here in the back. And when I initially tie it down, I'm not going to tie it down very tight. This is just in case I have any issues of my hot glue failing. My gingerbread guy is not going to fall off. It's always good to have a backup. I have my little guy tied on. Then just find his placement. I think that looks really cute. And now I'm going to secure his placement with some hot glue. Wherever he's touching the mesh here, I'm just adding a little bit of hot glue to help keep him placed. I have my little gingerbread guy here on. He's nice and secure. He's not going to go anywhere. And now I pulled out some of my vase filler in red and white, and these are the larger size. And I'm just going to add these all the way around to add a little bit more color and a little bit more sparkle. And I'm just going to be hot gluing those in, and I'm going to fill it in all the way around my base. So just add a little bit of hot glue once you have all your placement and just nestle them into the deco mesh there. I'm going to get the rest of my vase fillers glued in, and then I'll come back and show you the finished product. And here you go, we're all done. I'm really happy with the final product. I think the vase fillers were the perfect final addition to finish off my small gingerbread wreath. I think it is so cute. Sometimes simple designs are the best. Now the full dimension of this wreath measures at about 12 to 13 inches, which is perfect, especially if you live in an apartment or maybe you live in an assisted living facility. Not everyone puts wreaths on their front door. Some of us like to hang them on mirrors or on our walls. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and show me some love in the comments. This really does help support my channel. It lets YouTube know that I have content that's worth watching, and then they share it with more people and my channel grows. Thanks again for stopping by. It's always a pleasure. I hope everyone is staying happy, healthy, and strong. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.